Good morning. My name is Lem Harsh. I'm a nationally board certified hearing instrument specialist here at Carolina Hearing Services. I'm located here in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm really excited to be able to be on here today and talk to you all on Facebook Live just about some questions that I've had patients asking me lately. And you were getting really close to the 4th of July, and these questions kind of went along with that. And so I thought I would hop on and just answer some of the questions. Maybe they might apply to you, and it might be helpful. Lately, the patients that have been asking questions, they've been asking, now that the summer started, they're around a lot more machinery, and there's a lot of loud noises that they're having to deal with that they don't normally deal with, specifically lawnmowers. And what I've said to them is, if you're wearing hearing aids, and if there's anything as loud as or louder than a lawnmower, I want you to take those hearing aids out. We want to protect your hearing. So what you're going to use is some hearing protection. So go and get some ear muffs. You can buy those, big ear muffs that'll protect your ears. Or you can get just over the counter these little earplugs, just like this. And you can be able to put them in your ears and it'll protect your hearing. What's really great about these earplugs is they're cheap and they're very effective. They'll come on the box they come in most of the time. They would have instructions on them. So follow the instructions, see what they say, and make sure they're deep enough and that they're as effective as possible. And you'll be able to protect your hearing. It's very important. Let's protect the hearing that you have. And so I think that's pretty important. I'm really excited about this weekend, the 4th of July. I love the 4th of July. It's one of my favorite holidays. I love celebrating this country. I love celebrating our freedom. And I absolutely love the food. I love barbecues, and I love being able to hang out with family and friends and eating really, really good food. Some of the questions that I've had is, what are we going to do about fireworks? What are we going to do about the noise from the fireworks? And so with that, it's important that you be able to hear your friends and family before and right afterwards. You're going to be eating, you're going to be having fun discussions and talking. And so wearing your hearing aids is so important. But when the fireworks start and it's extremely noisy, and if it's uncomfortable, you can either take your hearing aids out, maybe have your hearing aid case with you, carry it with you and take the hearing aids out, put them in there and put them back in. Or if you have this, using the app on your phone. A lot of my patients have an app on their phone that controls their hearing aids. And so it'll control the volume, or it gives you the ability to mute your hearing aids. And so I would say to mute those hearing aids during the fireworks, those big explosions, and then right when it's over, push unmute, and then you can hear your family, hear your friends, and you can have a great experience. If you do not have that option with your hearing aids or that ability, and they don't connect to an app on your phone, this is a great opportunity for you to think about, maybe, well, the next time you get hearing aids, when you get new hearing aids, ask for hearing aids that have that option. And your provider will be able to help you with that. To have hearing aids that can connect to the phone, you can change the volume, you can mute them, you can change programs. It's an amazing thing to be able to have and very helpful. So something to keep in mind. One last thing. I had a patient recently ask me, they called and asked, what can we do for people who are not ready to come inside the office yet, but still need their hearing aids cleaned? And I was really excited to tell her that we actually have great options available still. If you're not ready to come inside, we can still help you with your hearing aids. Right now, we are having patients come in our office. We sanitize after each patient. We wear all the protection necessary and needed. But if you're still not ready to come inside, we offer curbside service. And what that is you'll come and you'll give us a call, and you'll be out in the parking lot or on the curb, whatever's safest. It just depends on what office you're going to and how we're located. But in our case, it's our parking lot. You tell us you're there, and I come out, and I'm all dressed up and ready to go. I've sanitized up, and I have my gloves on. I got my I have this on, so covering my face. I also have this shield on. It's on my head like this, and so I have all of that ready to go. I come out to the car, I take the aids, I come inside, I clean them up really good. I'm looking in the microphones, making sure they're not clogged up. I'm cleaning the speakers. I'm making sure that everything is good so you can hear clearly. And then I'm making sure there's fresh batteries, and I'm bringing them back out to your car, and you're able to have cleaned aids and you're hearing the best you possibly can. This is really important personally to me too, because growing up in a home with parents and grandparents who wear hearing aids, and who I was able to see firsthand the struggle they would go through when the hearing aids were not cleaned properly. Having hearing aids cleaned the right way by a professional can help so much in the clarity and your ability to hear with those hearing aids. And so we want to make sure that everyone has that chance to be able to have them clean still, even if they're not ready to come in. Well, that's all I really had for today. If you have any questions, you can always call us and reach out to us. I hope you all have a great day, and thanks.